Hi everyone, this is teacher Hazetee, and today I'm gonna teach you how to create a QR code using only the Google Chrome browser. Yes, you heard that right. We'll not be using a third-party app, but only the Google Chrome browser itself. So, are you excited to get this done? Let's check this out. Now we're back. As you can see, we have here now my Google Chrome browser open. Ayan. So the first step that you have to do is to open your Google Chrome browser on your device. But if you don't have one yet, then you might want to install that on your computer. Second step is to find that link to the website that you want to turn into a QR code instead of just sharing long links or maybe shortened URLs. Then you might want to turn that into a QR code for easier sharing, right? So now I'll be heading you to the Google form I hosted last December for our training. Ayan. So this is for our Google-based communication technology training. So now we have here the link. So the link is found here at the URL section. Ayan. So ito siya. docs.google.com/forms, and that string of characters you have right there. So what you need to do now is to just click on that URL box, okay? Like what I'm doing here. Just click that URL box. And as you see, my cursor now is blinking at the end of the string of characters. So now you can just move your cursor a bit until you reach the farthest part of that URL box. And now you'll see there's a star icon, a magnifying glass icon, so that's for zoom. This one is for bookmarks or favorites. This one is for to share your page or to display that to another device, para siyang screen sharing, ganon. And now we have the magical button right here. So ayan, create. It says create a QR code for this page. Okay, so you just have to click that, create that QR code, and then you'll see now we have a QR code already in an instant. Ayan na, for our Google form right there. So if you just hover to the lower part of that pop-up window, ayan, you'll see the download button, and then you'll see the source, yung source URL niya that was turned into a QR code like this one. And then you'll see that there's a dinosaur icon. Ayan, this dinosaur is familiar to us kasi siya yung nag-a-appear pag walang internet connection, and then we play with that dinosaur using the arrow keys. But anyway, ayan, so you can just download that, but let's check out this icon muna. Ayan, so there's information here. Ayan, to scan this code, you can use a QR scanner app on your phone or some camera apps. Okay, so hover back to the empty space and then click download. So I'm just gonna click download right there, and then choose a download location. I'm gonna save it here sa pictures. Ayan, QR code, docs.google.com, and then if you want to customize the file name, then you may do so. I'm adding, this is for GCT. Ayan, December 2020. Okay, so you can just save that, and then let's zoom out. Okay, so now we'll find where is it saved. Show in folder, and then eto na siya. Here's our QR code. Now, our next step is to scan the QR code. Okay, so this is a bonus tip for everyone, okay? Because yesterday, my co-teacher and I were not naman arguing, but we're just talking about some things na paano if a person or say a student receive a QR code right on his or her device, and then that person only has one device. So, paano niya nga isa-scan yun, diba? So, I found a workaround to that. First one is you can activate Google Lens, okay? But Google Lens will work only in scanning QR codes if you took a photo of the QR code na pa-camera siya. Okay? But if you receive the soft copy of the image like this one, tapos na send sa'yo sa Facebook or what, it will only yield results na parang nag-image search. Okay, so you activate your Google Assistant and try out Google Lens. Ayan. So what we are going to do now is we'll be sending this file to ourselves. Okay, assuming that the file came from somebody else. Okay, so ayan. And then let's send yung QR code. Ayan. And we're back. Okay, so now we'll be downloading the QR code that we sent to ourselves. Ayan, assuming that it came from somebody else. Ayan, so save na natin tong image. Save that. Okay, so it's already saved now. So the second workaround I'm talking about is another app. Ayan, so it's called QR and barcode scanner. So let's head over muna sa Play Store and then I'll show you the name of the app, yung complete name niya. QR scanner. Let's see. Ito siya, to. QR and barcode scanner. It's from Gamma Play. Yan. So, I've been using this since ano pa, siguro 2015 ko pa to gamit, nung hindi pa ganun kauso yung QR codes. And when there is no ano pa, yung innate na Google Lens na naka-install sa phones. Okay, so yun siya. So, let's open that app. Open, ayan, and then we'll see now na ito yung interface niya. Okay, so it automatically detects na agad kung merong QR sa background but there's not. Okay, so meron din siya na yung switch ng camera, yan, to the selfie cam right there. Meron din siyang flash, but I don't have yung front flash kasi. So, pag in-on ko yung flash, wala siyang effect, but it will have an effect pag yung rear camera ay naka-on. Okay, so may flash. So now, what we have to do is we have to click tong image icon right over there sa katabi nung flash. Okay, so click that and then select the QR code that you have to scan. So eto na siya. Click that QR code and then you'll see now na nag-scan siya within your phone. So what you have to do now is you can click that URL or you can open that directly. Ito may open button. You can share that. You can even copy yung URL na yan. Ayan, copy, or you can just click on the URL directly. Ayan, it will open yung link na tinransform nga natin to a QR code. Ayan, so it works. So let me just check if you can create a QR code using the mobile app. No. Okay, so ayan, it's a no. So you can only be able to create a QR code using the Google Chrome browser using your laptop. Okay, so sa desktop app tayo ng Google Chrome, not on the mobile version. So ayan, so I hope that you learned something from our tutorial for today and that you get to apply that to your work or kung saan niyo pa siya kailangan. Right now sa DepEd, we are being asked to parang convert links to QR codes. Ayan, so sa mga nagpapa-ISO, okay, and yon, parang it's becoming a trend na sa amin sa DepEd. Okay, so yon. So I hope that this tutorial helps, ayan, and that you can also be able to scan now QR codes within your phone and not be stressed out na wala kang second device, di ba? To scan the QR codes from another screen and whatnot. So with that, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you give it a thumbs up and that you get it there to your peeps, okay? Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified of my future uploads. You can also check out my Instagram, that's Teacher Hazetee, and my Facebook page, ayan, Teacher Hazetee. And with that, thank you so much. See you on our next video. Bye!